Before Vladimir Putin's partial mobilization was announced, authorities in various regions across Russia, especially in the ethnic republics, created battalions recruiting volunteers and promising them large payouts. One such outfit was the Baikal Battalion, which was to consist of the residents of the Siberian region of Buryatia. However, according to Novaya Gazeta, Europe's sources, the recruitment effort fell through. Ads circulated on all local pro-Kremlin media and blogs showed that only a few dozen people showed up. The regional authorities say that the battalion's command staff has been fully recruited, but there remains a need for soldiers to form the unit. After they were sent to the front line, no official news about the battalion's condition has been published, and the fate of the volunteers is known to their relatives through scraps of information and rumors. Some families have been unable to contact their relatives in the battalion since late September, and the regional authorities remain silent. Novaya Gazeta. Europe found out that most of the battalion's troops died on 28 September during the battle for the village of Petropavlovka in the Kharkiv region of Ukraine, which the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said had recently been liberated. We spoke to the Baikal Battalion's relatives. On 27 July, regional Buryat newspaper Gazeta Nomer Odin announced that the Baikal Battalion was being formed to be sent to Ukraine. Those who join it are promised all sorts of bonuses, reads the article's subtitle. The man behind the article, Konstantin Voronov, writes that the command staff has already been formed, along with the main part of the unit. Since July, announcements about recruitment for the battalion have been published once a week in pro-government regional media channels. Volunteer recruitment has been upgraded. It is now possible to sign up for the battalion at public services centers, military enlistment offices and village administrations. The Baikal Battalion is a motorized reserve unit. It's needed in order to give the people that are currently taking part in the special military operation as part of the army an opportunity to rest. The squad is being manned with modern equipment, and is almost assembled, claimed Nikolai Kapanos, head of the military commissariat of Buryatia for the Oktyabrski district. The battalion received military training in Malino in the Nizhny Novgorod region, where the 3rd Army Corps, Russia's operational and tactical ground forces, had been formed from regional volunteer battalions. In pictures published by Baikal Battalion members taken in Malino, only about 20 people can be seen, and ethnic Buryats appear to be a minority. In a story published on 5 September, Baikal Daily quotes Nikolai Kapanos as saying the battalion needs to hire another 200 people, which allegedly accounts for 30% of Baikal's total command staff. A Noyava Gazeta. Europe's source has said that other volunteers from the 3rd Army Corps may have possibly been recruited to the battalion in Malino due to the shortage of volunteers from Buryatia. This was the case with the Chechen Akhmet Battalion, which recruited people from all over the country.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.